fuck. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
You cannot punch me.
Turn around.
I need to call my mama.
Turn around. I'll punch you again if you don't fucking turn around. Turn around.
The Black News family. What you're about to see is not an old case. On August 1st, 2026, 8-year-old Alisa Hackett was pulled over in Arkansas during a routine traffic stop. A state trooper threw her to the ground and punched her in the face with a closed fist. She was calling for her mother. The trooper later said he tuned her up. Watch what happened.
Thank you for these blessings, Lord.
Is she by herself still?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Hey, I'll turn around if you want me to. I'll come back. You going to tow her car?
Yeah, I will.
Yeah. Hell with that. Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'll go 15.
All right.
All right. Place your hands on your trunk for me. Place your hands, yep.
181.
Keep your hands on your trunk, but take like 2 steps towards me. Yeah, let me get your left hand real quick.
Sir, what did I do?
Get your left hand real quick. Do not, look, do not resist, do not resist.
I need to call mama.
No, stop.
But I didn't even... Sir, what am I doing? Oh, no.
Stop.
Oh, my God, this is illegal.
One
I need
resisting.
to call my mama.
I don't give a fuck. Turn around. Turn around.
This is illegal.
Turn around. Turn around.
You cannot punch me.
Turn around.
I need to call my mama.
Turn around. I'll punch you again if you don't fucking turn around. Turn around.
Can I call my mama?
No, we're past
No,
that.
you just punched me in my head. No, okay.
Put your hand.
You close to him.
I'm good. Just waiting to take her into custody.
I can't believe it. Oh my God.
Keep her hands there.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
215, that's 1011.
What did I even do? Oh, can you call? Can I get my phone?
No, you ain't getting shit now.
You cannot punch me in my face.
Who said? Say who? Said who?
Somebody call my mama.
Who said I can't punch you in your face?
Somebody call my mama. Help
Turn
me.
around. The fuck is your problem? Turn around.
My mama.
Do you have any weapons on you?
No. Call my mama.
You acting like a real child.
You
Shut
punched
up.
me in my face.
Why do you think? Because you were resisting?
No, I was not.
You weren't resisting?
No, I literally did everything you told me to do.
Yeah, we'll see.
Somebody call my mama. Call my mama. Somebody call my mama. Mama. Somebody call my mama. No.
You just turned nothing into something, you know that?
Sir, you punched me in my face and did the most. I literally was coming everything.
We finna see.
Can you call my mama?
No, I'm not calling nobody. You grown. You 18, ain't you?
You punched me in my face.
Simple. Do you want an ambulance?
Yes,
You do?
please. You scratched my body.
You want an ambulance?
Yes.
You send a 1016.
Oh my God. 993 status.
Hold. No, I tried to go 15 for
two trucks were waiting me out at the gas station. I've been waiting on them to leave. They've been waiting on me. Like one was behind me. He pulled in the parking spot, went inside, came back outside, started his truck, turned his truck off. Pretty sure he's got warrants out of Poinsett County.
You can go hook him up.
He's suspended and tags expired, no insurance. But he won't leave the parking lot. And I ran him in the parking lot, so I can't do nothing with him yet. And then there's a dude sitting there acting like he's working on a vehicle. Yeah, Tommy just wrote her.
Yeah.
Acting like he's working on a vehicle he's pulling, and he's got a restricted license. I guarantee he ain't got no interlock in there. They've been waiting me out.
Well, see now.
I had to come check on you. Thought you were getting beat up.
I was. Well, now I got to do use of force. I got to.
You actually had to.
Yeah.
What'd she do?
So she was doing the whole trying to pull away. So I tossed her. I hip tossed her, and then she was still resisting, trying to turn around. So I tuned her up. Yeah.
Is she DUI?
No.
Oh, okay.
He just so that's the car that I told you blew by us. Probably doing 16 to 40.
Yeah.
And I hit my front radar. Doing 71 and 60, so I pulled her over. She's got a cold bottle of Tito's in the passenger seat.
Yeah.
It's sealed up, but hit that trunk for me. But I was going to charge her with MIP, and I had her go sign, and she like threw the clipboard at me. Talked herself into going to jail. Like she did that, and I called Tommy because I knew he just rode her. I was like, hey, because I was going to charge her with what's the improper use of like warning lights? Because she was running hazards.
I don't know what the statute is, but I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, so that's why I called him. I was like, hey, what's the statute? And he was like,
driving with him when she passed?
Yeah.
She say why?
She said because what you just saw with the window. Yeah. She said she was just trying to get to Jonesboro. I was like, that doesn't mean you can speed.
Yeah.
So.
I want to sit with your car, but I want to go see. I'm kind of annoyed because not at you, but like I know
because you were waiting on them.
I know they're waiting on.
Because you were waiting on them.
It's bothering me.
Where's my hat?
Drive by this way. Well, one of them's probably going back Poinsett County. He's probably gonna go down 77. The other one looks like he's got a paralysis.
You can call her from the jail. 18 wants her mommy.
You okay though?
Yeah. Yeah, just out here getting beat up. Huh?
Mine's still on.
Mine too.
Okay.
This is not fair. You punched me in my face.
I did.
Can you give me my phone and my keys?
Nope. Why you want the ambulance for?
Because you slammed me. I am a girl. I am 18. I don't weigh more than 90-some pounds.
Right, but you still resisted.
No, that don't give you the right to punch me in my face. I literally
Yes, it does.
I didn't say nothing bad. I had to wait for you to punch me.
No, yeah, I did. If you resist, I can punch you. I can read you the policy here in a second.
Where the ambulance go?
Ambulance is coming. No, car's getting towed too.
Oh, because I'm a black person.
No, that's not why.
Yes, it is. So what did I? You cannot punch me in my face.
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Okay. Oh, my leg is getting up.
We got an ambulance on the way.
I need my phone call, my mama. Please, I gotta call my mama. That's the least you can do is let me talk to my mama.
No, the least you could have done is not resist.
Sir, I literally was doing everything you told me to. You had an attitude when you walked to the car.
I had an attitude like you didn't throw
Was
my
your body footage on when you punched me?
Huh?
Was your body cam on when you punched me?
Yeah, everything's on. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's fine.
Everything's on. Yeah, it's always on.
I need to talk to my mama.
You don't need to. You can talk to her from the jail.
I do need to, because that's not fair.
It's fair.
I'm 90-some pounds. You did not have to do that. You
I
punched
did.
me in my face, everything.
Mm-hmm. You can't have your hazard lights on as an excuse to speed too.
That wasn't no excuse.
Then why do you have them on?
My window is literally broke. You see in your body cam as if it was sliding down.
Right, but where in
Sir, I'm not the type of person to uphold myself for anything. I wouldn't just be driving with my lights on.
So why do you have them on? So you can speed?
No, that's not why. If I want to speed, I was going to speed. I would never turn my lights on. My window was literally falling as if I was driving.
But you're speeding.
I'm trying to go home. You think I want to ride with a window that's steady constantly falling? You know how dangerous that is?
It's probably more dangerous to speed
Then
while
you
it's
punch
moving.
me in my face. I am a female.
It doesn't matter.
I need to talk to my mama.
You'll get to talk to her at the jail.
This shit crazy.
35 and 32.
Oh, my
Go ahead.
Is
There's a
wheels
truck
on the
coming
way?
behind you. Try and see if it's a red Chevy. If it is, let me know.
Red Chevy pickup.
I gotta see this.
It's simple.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
But Sarah saying that thank God we have the video, but we also have the audio of the interaction with them. And even more compelling, we have the audio when he called to some other person with the state trooper, maybe a supervisor, and they seem to conspire once he says that, oh, she had an attitude. The traffic stop was over, and clearly what we see is a violation of U.S. v. Rodriguez, the landmark Supreme Court case that said once stop is over, you can't extend the stop unless you have a reasonable, articulable suspicion of a new crime. He said in the audio there was no new crime. He was going to tune her up, and then you see him slam her to the ground. She says, "What did I do?" And obviously his answer is a closed fist to the face. That is disturbing on every level.
Give us some sense of what your demands are and what Alisa Hackett is asking for here.
Well, she's asking for her constitutional rights to be protected like any other citizen. I mean, you can't just be the judge, the jury, and the executioner right there on the side of the road because you say you don't like my attitude. I mean, if you cannot do traffic stop with an 18-year-old teenage girl without hip tossing her, slamming her to the ground, cursing her, and punching her in the face, then maybe you shouldn't have a badge.
When you look at this particular video, what do you see? Do you see the escalation that they're talking about? Do you see the non-compliance that the officers say, well, she was not compliant, and so we were making her comply?
Well, you clearly see a disturbing interaction where an officer engages in excessive force of a small 18-year-old woman who is saying, let me call my mother. I mean, and that's what's so heartbreaking as a parent, as a girl dad. I mean, your skin curls up when you say, hold on, she's asking to call her mother. She's not posing a threat. She's not having you in fear of your life, but yet you're gonna punch her in the face. This is a young girl. And so they need to definitely look at their policies with not only him, but also with the officer trooper he was talking to. And people like her family are calling for his termination because, as Maya Angelou said, when you show me who you are, believe them the first time. And if they're not going to hold him and discipline him, then they condone it. And apparently that must be okay to do to young black women.
He is on, he has been investigated, but he, according to reporter Ryan Young yesterday, he said, look, he is still, though, on the streets. They're doing this investigation, but he is still acting as a police officer. What do you and she think of this?
Well, it's troubling because you can do this on video and audio as to why you're doing it, Sarah. We don't have to speculate why he did it. He said, I'm going to give her a tune-up because I didn't like her attitude. I mean, this is about police ego and then excessive force, and then whether we as a nation are going to become a police state or we're going to have rule of law. And the law is clear by the United States Supreme Court on this issue. And that's why we're going to have litigation, because if they're not going to do anything, we have to say, you cannot do this to our children and think that we're going to be well-behaved victims.
That was the case of Alisa Hackett. She has now filed a lawsuit. What do you think about this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. I'm your sister, Naomi, the Nationalist.